Hi, another quick tip for today. Today's going to be eyebrows. I'm using my Motives Essential Eyebrow Kit. You can tell by the looks of it, I use the heck out of it. I'm going to show you, my little brush fell out. I'm going to show you a quick way. Most people tell me, I don't have time to do it. It's too hard. You're thinking of Instagram eyebrows, and I've talked about this before. The brows where actually it's all you can see are brows. No matter how gorgeous the woman is, your eyes are directed to their brows. Beautiful for a photo shoot, beautiful for Instagram, whatever. It's not good for every day. So I'm going to show you, like I said, quick and easy. I have my contacts in today, so eyebrows are necessary. So I'm going to start with my darkest color, and I'm going to just use short strokes, just going underneath to line that. Get a little bit of an outline. I only outline underneath. Some people outline on top, and that's when it starts looking too bold and too fake. So just that fast. I just did. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to be a makeup artist. So now I'm going to start middle back. And I'm mimicking the direction of the growth of the hairs. I'm mimicking the hairs, and I'm going in the direction of the hair growth, which is sort of diagonal down. And I'm just dragging that down to the end. You don't want to go beyond the corners of the eye. Okay, now, and I'm dipping it in and I'm tapping it on tissue. I always do, just so you don't get too much on the brush. It's better to build. So now I'm taking it back as the hair is still going in that direction. And I get it to where I'm almost to the end and I stop. I don't take this dark color all the way to the end. Now I'm going to stop and I'm going to go in with the lighter of the two. Now the hair tends to want to go up. And don't worry about taking it beyond, because I'm going to show you a little cleanup trick. You don't want to have it bold going all the way to the end, because when you do, it looks like you're frowning all day long. It's too harsh. So let's keep it soft when you get to the end. I don't want people to only see eyebrows when I walk by. They usually see my big butt, but whatever. That's a whole other story. So now I'm going to go in with cream concealer, another Motives product. Some people outline. I get the real harsh, when we put light all the way around. I don't feel it's necessary. Again, if you're doing a photo shoot, you do what you got to do to get it to show up well in a photo. I'm just going to go underneath just to clean up a little bit. Just very lightly. And now I'm taking a bigger brush. Just kind of fanning that out. Just clean that up. Very simple. And then at the very end, I just take a spoolie. You can take a spoolie, you can take a Q-tip, but now I'm just kind of brushing that and blending it all together. And there you have it. Super simple. You can have, really nice eyebrows, fill them in. I'm happy to show you if you want to do a one-on-one lesson. We can do it online. We can do it in person. But look how simple. It looks natural. I have people who don't believe me when I say I fill them in. And you don't have to be an artist, like I said earlier. You can do this. You can do it. If you'd like more information on the brow kit that I used today, you can go to my website, motivescosmetics.com/catsbeauty. It was the Motives Essential Brow Kit. If you want some information on the rest of my look, go ahead and private message me and we'll talk. Have a good day.